The sun, a blazing ball of hot gas, it dominates our sky and holds the solar system together. Its immense gravity keeps planets in orbit. Its energy gives us light and warmth. Without the sun, life on Earth wouldn't exist. The sun is our closest star, a giant furnace constantly at work. It's mostly made of hydrogen and helium, the simplest elements in the universe. Deep inside the sun, these elements fuse together, releasing tremendous amounts of energy. This energy travels outward, eventually reaching us as sunlight. It's a journey that takes thousands of years. The sun is a fascinating object, and its life cycle has huge implications for our planet and everything around it. Right now, our sun is enjoying a stable middle age. Astronomers call this the main sequence stage. During this stage, the sun steadily fuses hydrogen into helium in its core, generating the energy that sustains life on Earth. Imagine a campfire burning logs. The sun is like a giant campfire, steadily burning its fuel. It's been doing this for about 4.6 billion years already. And the good news is, it has enough fuel left to keep going for another 5 billion years or so. So, for now, we don't need to worry about the sun running out of steam, but eventually, like all stars, the sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel. When this happens, the sun will enter a new and dramatic phase of its life. As the sun uses up its hydrogen fuel, it will begin to change in dramatic ways. It will swell up to an enormous size, becoming a red giant. When this happens, the sun will engulf Mercury and Venus, the two closest planets. Earth's fate is less certain. It might be swallowed by the expanding sun, or it might be pushed into a wider orbit. Either way, life as we know it will become impossible on our planet. But the sun's transformation doesn't end there. After its red giant phase, the sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a small, dense core called a white dwarf. This white dwarf will slowly cool over billions of years, eventually fading into a dim ember. So will the sun explode in 5 billion years? The answer is no. While the sun will go through dramatic changes, it's not massive enough to explode as a supernova. Instead, it will end its life quietly as a white dwarf. The death of the sun will have a profound impact on our solar system. But even in death, the sun might pave the way for new beginnings. The material shed by the sun during its red giant phase could eventually form new stars and planets, giving rise to a new generation of solar systems. As we contemplate the sun's future, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance that allows life to flourish on Earth. The universe is a place of constant change, and our own sun's story reminds us of the vastness and wonder of the cosmos.